I'm looking at a chart of the number of COVID-19 cases here in the United States, and it brought me a little optimism because we have a shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. It's called a head and shoulders pattern, and when you have one low peak followed by a higher one, followed by a third one that's about the same height as the first one, you generally have a downward trend. And what's even more exciting is if you draw a straight line starting from that peak, eventually it will hit negative in approximately December. We started our lockdowns in March here in Washington, and my guess that is that the negative number in December corresponds to the births that will start happening from people getting pregnant when we first went into lockdown. Just my interpretation of the charts. Let's look at another country to see if we have a head and shoulder. Let's look at the worldwide statistics. Worldwide, it doesn't look like we have a head and shoulders pattern yet. What the hell is this? Why did we have one peak and then it died down? Uh, I might plot this into astrology. I couldn't find a comma separated file with the actual numbers. I hate to enter these one by one. But we have a head and shoulders pattern here in the United States. Let's look at Taiwan because they were recently praised for what a good job they were doing. They had a huge peak. My guess is that this is, oh, okay, they only had 3 cases in 22. That's just a statistical anomaly. But look over here, back in March, shoulder, head, shoulder crash, right? I wish they would also show all the births that were attributed to COVID-19 lockdowns as a negative number so we could see the total impact on the population, right? That way we could actually see an even longer time frame and see how that trend is going, right? Thanks for watching.